Hey guys, it's Marla from marlameredith.com, and today we are talking about one of my all-time favorite beauty subjects, lip glosses and plumpers. All right, so some of these products are sort of twofold. They act as plumpers and glosses, and this Too Faced lip injection right here. Awesome stuff. It's a little bit tingly maybe for the first 5-10 minutes when you put it on, but it is awesome. And you can wear this stuff under or over other lip colors. And the tingly sensation is really nice too. It feels like it's actually plumping, which is cool. Okay, next up we're gonna talk about the Collagen Lip Bath by Charlotte Tilbury. And this gal is just huge in the makeup world right now. People love all her products. And this lip plumper is definitely one to love on. Sort of has like a little peachy color, but not much. It's not really gonna show up on your lips. Let's take a look. I like this little hearts wand. Isn't that cute? Okay, and again, you feel a little sensation, but not much. This stuff is awesome. I love how much gloss and how full it makes your lips. All right, here we have the Dior Addict Lip Plumper, and I love this stuff. It has everyone's favorite hyaluronic acid stays, and that really helps smooth your lips and keep them really moist and beautiful. All right, let's take a look. I like color number 13, which is the beige, just as neutral. It comes in many colors, so you need to check those out. It goes on so nice. Kind of has like a little, it's not a minty flavor, sort of a little bit like a cupcake. So again, the beige is super neutral, but I absolutely love it. And again, it smooths your lips beautiful. This is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about some glosses. They aren't as much plumpers as they are super smoothing and really beautiful glosses. And this one is by SEPHIRA. I absolutely love the N7 pink crystal color. Let's take a look together. And again, we have another funky little wand. SEPHIRA one is really tingly when you put it on. And the texture is so nice, not sticky at all. Okay, so the nice thing about these glosses and plumpers that I've put on so far is they're great to layer with. If you wear lipsticks, colors, all that kind of stuff, you can easily put these on over your lipstick and it will look absolutely beautiful. Okay, another line of glosses that I absolutely love, and pretty much I love her entire makeup line, is Rihanna's Fenty Beauty. Here I have Diamond Milk, and this one is Fussy. And both of these colors are absolutely beautiful, and again, you can layer them. This one, Fussy, just has a little bit of color. I wear this one a lot in my videos. It's just a natural, nice gloss. Isn't that pretty? Okay, a bit different than the others and not quite as glossy, but super hydrating. I also love the Dior Addict Lip Glow. And this one I have in the Hollow Glow number 10. And I love this stuff. This is always in my purse. And again, it doesn't, it's not much of a gloss as it is just an awesome hydrating lip color. But the holographic quality gives it kind of a glossy look and not sticky at all, which I absolutely love. Isn't that pretty? I love this stuff. All right, check out this super cute kit by Anastasia. I love the colors. As you can see, there's sort of like a sort of white, pearly white, gold, this pinkish, and an even more pinky color. This is great for travel, and they're small, so you can take these little tubes anywhere you go. All right, for today, I'm gonna put on this pink tourmaline color because it's just so beautiful. Let's take a look. How pretty is that, guys? It goes on so nice. Super glossy, really beautiful, not sticky, it's just perfect. Okay, and I can't do a lip gloss post without talking about MAC lip gloss. I've loved this stuff for years, and here I have Goldie Rocks and Goldfinch. So clearly, I'm kind of into their Goldie colors. They're just beautiful and great for layering. See? A nice little bit of metallic. Perfect for your disco look. A little bit of gold. Okay, so let me tell you what I look for in the perfect lip gloss and plumpers. First of all, I don't do sticky. That doesn't work. The second that breeze hits, it sort of like sticks, the hair sticks to your mouth and all that kind of stuff happens. So not cool, definitely not sexy. What I do like are super hydrating, ones that last a long time, and just all around really glossy and pretty. All right, so one more thing here. Let's talk about layering colors. I have one of my favorites here. It's called Mid Mauve by MAC. It's a luster color, so it's just kind of creamy. And then I have Pearl by Anastasia. So all I'm gonna do is do some layering. Put on my Mid Mauve, which is again a neutral. All right, and then just gonna go ahead and layer on some of this Pearl. Such a pretty color. Glistens. And there you have just a little more color